Is it live?
Yes, it's live.
Alright, so I 3D printed a Fidget Cube 25% smaller than the last one. And now I'm going to try and break it apart. So try and zoom in down here and let's see if it actually... Well, I hear some cracking. Oh, that's kind of
working.
That's kind of promising.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that! It works in that direction.
Awesome.
Let's see here. Now, let's see. I got to break it
Like
here.
an ice cube tray.
Yeah, it's like an ice cube tray.
I
The thing
think you're
is
in the wrong direction.
no, that's the right direction. But
you
those
sure?
things are kind of tough.
Well, you don't want to break them.
Well, I want to break them, but I don't want to break them. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Let's try this one. Oh, that's got a little
Scott
bit.
Jenkins is watching.
Hey, hi Scott.
Nice.
Alright, trying to... This thing was not designed to print this small.
Try bending like the middle ones first.
Which middle ones?
The
These middle ones?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try those. Ooh,
Yeah.
actually, that's kind of good. Oh, look at that. That one, this one didn't break. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so now we got
Now just try
that
and
way.
like fold it.
That way. Now we got to get these ones to break. And not break off, hopefully.
Yeah.
This is the side that printed down.
Oh, it's probably a little bit melted.
Yeah, so it's kind of fused a little bit in there. You know what? I think I might need to
Yeah. So
get a little X-Acto blade knife in here. Let's see if we can
a little precise.
kind of cut that up a little bit. I can barely see there.
Fancy.
Fancy feast for your kitty. Yeah, I almost got that in the right spot. Okay, I'd like to thank my camera woman Tia.
Haha.
Wish I had her for every live video.
That would be nice.
Because I don't have
You should
some
get like
sort of...
that weird stand that was on Wish, the one you're looking for your phone stands.
I
that one
did.
that's like curvy.
I bought a phone stand from Wish, which will probably take 6 to 8 weeks to get here.
True.
But it has like bendy legs,
Ooh, that's fun.
so you can like wrap it around your neck or something.
That'd be useful for a live video.
Oh yeah. Oh, thing is like so wants to bend. Ooh, he's trying to get away. Snatched it from the depths of my... Oh, stupid thing.
Just get a hammer and just... It'll totally
I know,
work.
right? It's getting there.
Oh, hey, it's working a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we need to get the other edge to work. Ugh. Gosh, the things I do for you people. Well, that one broke. Oh, nice. Okay.
Amazing.
We're getting there.
It's working.
Okay, that one.
That's how you do it.
There we go. Nice. Now this one we gotta figure out. I don't want to try too hard because the little pins in here are really quite small. And we don't want to tweak them too much.
Indeed.
Don't want to cut them off. Maybe I do because they are evil.
They're evil.
Alright, let's see here.
Dun, 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 dun.
Man, thing is... Ah, it's so close. I think that side wants to go, but this side doesn't.
Is it working a little bit?
It's working a little bit. It's almost perfect. But, see, there's the thing.
Just dump oil all over it.
I think I got it. I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, look at that!
Fancy. Did it.
The Fidget Cube for people with extremely tiny hands. I think I might do it again, but make it just a teeny bit bigger because this one's really, really tiny.
Nice.
Alright. Nice.
Nice. Should we finish it?
Go ahead and finish the video.
Yay!
Alright.